factory managers presenting Maestro. Because you have many challenges in your factory. Planning, prioritizing, recruiting, handling unexpected issues, and ideally never having to slow down production, we created Maestro, the first priority setting and decision-making automation software designed for the woodworking industry. Maestro allows employees to see the projects that need to be completed at each workstation. It takes into account the dependency of each task and the advancement of each project. It adapts in real time to events. As a result, everybody works on the right thing at the right time. Maestro does a lot more than just indicate what there is to do. It sets priorities based on your business criteria. At the CNC, do you prioritize projects that need wood to be cut before those with melamine? At the assembly, do you prioritize complex projects or those that generate the most profits? Or do you prioritize projects for a contractor that brings you a lot of business? All of this is easy with Maestro. It's incredibly flexible, which means you can identify different rules and priorities for each workstation according to your needs. Give Maestro your instructions, and it adapts based on your criteria. Furthermore, thanks to the maintenance alerts, Maestro helps you avoid costly breakdowns and production line downtime. Each decision counts, which is why Maestro is the perfect ally for your team.